Van Fleet, Nutrien, Western Illinois Division. Been talking a little bit tonight about a couple of our premium products, Radiate and a new product called Terramar. Wanted to talk about one more product that's an absolute must for our post-chemical applications. It needs to be in that tank. That's a product called NutriSync Complete 3D. Let's start out by saying we took 20,000 tissue tests in Eastern Illinois over the last decade or so, right? And we're seeing a lot of the same nutrients show up deficient in that emergence through V8. This is just one location. We got about 450 tests. You're welcome to pause that to look at that. But what you're gonna find is about the same deficient nutrients year in and year out. Those major deficiencies have been and will continue to be more than likely. Boron is a major one, zinc, iron, manganese, potassium, and then like if you wanted to pick a sixth, we'd probably say sulfur. But we've got a product called NutriSync 3D, and guess what? We can address all 5 of those top deficient nutrients that we've been seeing for multiple years with a quart of NutriSync 3D. Boron, copper, iron, manganese, moly, calcium and zinc is in that, a little bit of potassium also, and nitrogen also in there. Guys, when we talk about deficiencies in plants, we talk about it all the time. We want every day to be a good day for that plant to reach its maximum potential. One of the similarities I always talk about is when you put calves in a feedlot and you put mineral and a creep feed for them calves, why are you doing that? You want them calves to get off to the best start they can to reach their maximum potential. Even when your wife's had a baby, she takes prenatal vitamins, right? So there's no deficiencies. Everything, you want everything to be healthy. Guys, our plants aren't any different. We want them plants for every day to be a good day to reach that maximum potential. And we know year in and year out, these 4 or 5 nutrients have been the most deficient in these plants. We have the opportunity when we're going across there with the spray rig to put that product in there to address those 4 or 5 top deficient nutrients. There's a lot of competitors out there, and you're gonna hear people talk all the time how they can get cheaper products. There's a couple big differences in NutriSync 3D, and I want you to remember this. Chelated nutrients. Our nutrients are chelated. When we talk about chelated, chelation is a Greek word from the word claw. That's a chemical compound around that nutrient that doesn't let it tie up on the leaf surface and let sun beat down on it and break it down to it degrades and it doesn't get into the plant. That chelation drives that through the cuticle, that waxy coating in that plant, and gets it into the plant quicker where it can be utilized and more efficient. A lot of products on the market out there aren't chelated. They're using citric or gibberellic acid as a carrier. We use chelated Nutrien EDTA chelation, and that's the best you can use. Great product as far as the nutrients we're using. The other big thing, the difference between NutriSync 3D is we got a delivery system in our NutriSync. Anytime you see NutriSync, you know that's proprietary NutriSync to Nutrien. And we use a product in there, inositol, and inositol delivers that product. Not only does it help when it gets into the plant, but what it does is it helps move them nutrients, some of them nutrients that are not as mobile. Chelation helps. But when we got inositol in that products and that NutriSync, we're delivering that to the newest portion of the leaf. And that's what we want to address. We want to get these nutrients to that newest growth so that we have a healthy, robust plant going forward. So guys, Radiate, Terramar, NutriSync Complete 3D, that is the absolute 1, 2, 3 best program you can run today. Get a hold of your local dealers and talk about it. These are top tier products with top tier delivery systems and unique proprietary products to us in the industry. Don't miss out on giving your plant the opportunity to reach its maximum potential. These 3 products are going to get it there, guaranteed, proven year in and year out. Thanks, guys.